Hey, what's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you something really strange. I'm going to show you how you can make money online with no experience as a beginner in 2024 and going into 2025. But doing the weirdest thing, I'm going to show you how you can make simple money online selling puzzles. Yes, puzzles online. I'm going to show you a really easy step-by-step tutorial that requires no coding knowledge. You don't need a website. You don't need any funnels. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not drop shipping. This is going to be something really brand new that I've never really thought of or spoken about on my YouTube channel before. And I've also created a bot for you on ChatGPT that is going to do most of the task work for you, making it really easy, saving you a ton of time, and also really doing this professionally. I'm going to show you some results of one or two people that was really difficult to find because not a lot of people are doing this, and how much money they're making from this. There's one or two people that have been actually doing this for quite a long time and is now making a full-time living doing this. So a tool I can go and use to find these people and to actually see how much they're getting paid is called Allura.io, which is an online application where I can dive into the analytics, the exact sales, revenue, and how much money stores are making on Etsy.com. Now, this particular store over here is doing something pretty much exactly what I'm going to teach you in today's video, selling these puzzles created by AI on Etsy.com. I'm going to show you the full setup, how you can set up your puzzle, and how you can start getting sales from this. Now, this particular store has been around since 2020. In the last 4 years of business, they've generated over $497,000. They're coming up to $500,000 now, coming into halfway through 2024. $500,000 in 4 years for a new business. I would say a business is new if they're less than 5 years old, is a really staggering good amounts of money returned in this business. They've had over 25,000, nearly 26,000 sales from this. Their monthly revenue is now at $11,840. So this store is making $11,840 every single month. I can even go into specifics and have a look at what specific listings are performing the best. I mean, this specific listing over here currently has made over $14,000 in revenue. Really good. So that's obviously a product that's busy starting to take off at the moment. So this could potentially be a good product to piggyback on, but that's not what we're talking about in today's video. Our specific strategy is going to be selling puzzles online that has been created by ChatGPT through Etsy.com. Very similarly to what the store is doing. The first step in the strategy is to come over to OpenAI.com. Sign up for a free account where you can then get access to ChatGPT, which is an AI tool that looks very similar to that of a WhatsApp chat where you can talk to this AI, ask for advice. You can ask for ChatGPT to do a million different tasks for you, whether that's write a blog post, create a website, create images through the different prompts that you ask ChatGPT to do. When you log into ChatGPT, it's going to look like this, the standard ChatGPT landing page. Now, the specific tool that you're going to be needing for this strategy, I've created for you guys. And that is going to take you to the puzzle creator on ChatGPT, which is a specific app on ChatGPT that will allow you to create these digital puzzles. And as you can see, the description over here says, I will create puzzle images. Choose a size and then tell me what type of image that you want. You can use the puzzle print on demand service like Printify. Firstly, step number one is to choose a size for your image. So click on this option over here and you need to go and type. For example, it's going to message you, let's create a square image, 1024 by 1024. What would you like the image to depict? Please provide us many details as possible to ensure that it matches your vision. Respond with the word wide, because we want ChatGPT to create a horizontal, rectangular puzzle rather than that of a square image. And from there, you can go and describe your puzzle. You can go and type anything. I'm going to type out a basic example for you to take influence from. Create an image of the Amazon rainforest with beautiful trees surrounding the Amazon River. Make it look realistic and amazing. We can click on send. All right, guys, so that image is now being generated. Initially, the bot had a little bit of an episode. It didn't really generate the image. It just kind of gave me its piece of code. So therefore, what I did was I just copied my original prompt and sent it through again. And over here, you can see, here's the Amazon rainforest with beautiful trees surrounding the Amazon River. I hope it matches your vision. And if you need any adjustments or a different scene, just let me know. And over here, really beautiful image. I mean, this is really, really exactly, or pretty much pinpoint exactly what I'm looking for. And I actually realized, guys, that this video is not going to be long at all because of how simple this is actually to do. And I mean, to generate an image like this with one or two simple prompts in a couple of minutes, even a couple of seconds, is absolutely mind-blowing what you can do with the ChatGPT Pro version and with the free version as well. 5-10 years ago, when I started in the online space, when I'm looking for graphic design images, it would take me hours, even days on end, to design pictures like this, thumbnails, whatever it may be. Now you can go into ChatGPT in a space of nearly a blink of an eye, and you can generate images that would take 5-10 years ago, hours and days to do. On the right hand side of your image, click on download and this image will now download to your PC. Once you've saved this image from ChatGPT to your PC, come over to Printify.com. Printify.com is the highest recommended print-on-demand platform on the internet right now, where we can collect and secure orders, whether that be t-shirts, puzzles, hoodies, beanies, gloves, mugs, you name it. Every time we get an order, this website will automatically print that particular image on our product, send that to our clients without us having to ever deal with the clients or deal with the products, deal with the shipping. So we just the man in the middle making money through the selling on this website. And obviously through every single sale, Printify.com will take a cut from your sale to cover their expenses and to make a profit. And ultimately what's left over, depending on your markup, usually anywhere between 30 and 80% is yours to keep, net profit. So simply click on start for free on Printify.com. You can sign up completely for free as well, which is really cool. Once you've signed in, you're going to be taken to the back end of Printify.com, where we can go and view all the different products that we can go and make, from t-shirts to sweatshirts to hoodies, phone cases, journals, even beauty bottle products, desk mats, jar stickers, more vinyls, canvas gallery wraps, an art print, a desktop calendar, a desk calendar, and all sorts of other products. And all this is a print-on-demand website. Somebody places an order with you. Let's take the example of this t-shirt with your specific design and image on the t-shirt. Once you get that order, Printify is going to design that shirt for you with all the materials, all the printing, ship that to your client, and you're keeping profit as the man in the middle. So as you can see over here, from $23.73 with Printify Premium, $18.28. So that's going to be your cost price. Anything up and above that is net profit for you to keep. And as you can see at the moment, this particular product is really trending, a high selling rate with a 70 to 80% growth rate. Coming back to the puzzle is this particular option over here. The puzzle 110, 252, 520. So if I go and click on this, I can go and open this up and start designing my puzzle. Take a look at this. I can click on start designing and let's go and design our puzzle with the image that we've just selected from ChatGPT. On the top left hand side, click on upload, click on my device, come over to your downloads folder and double click on the image that we just downloaded from ChatGPT. So initially it may not be perfectly centered or aligned with the canvas of our puzzle, which is simply fine. All we can do is we can just zoom it in until we cover all the borders of this particular puzzle, which we can centerize, making the river the subject of this particular puzzle. Okay, we can just zoom this in a little bit more to cover the bottom and the top. And there we go. I think that is more than fine. As our puzzle, we can then click on Save Product and take a look at this. If I go and open up this image and I zoom in on this, this is exactly what our puzzle is going to look like. As you can see over here, this is how our puzzle pieces are going to come out, which is actually really cool. If I click on the front as well and I zoom this in, you will see over here, this is what the puzzle looks like when it's complete. So how exactly are we going to start making money with this? Come over to Printify's homepage, and if you scroll down, you will see over here various different platforms that you can connect your store to. You can connect Printify to Walmart online shopping, to Shopify.com, to Wix.com, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and the Etsy store. And this is how it works. If I come over to Etsy.com, let's just come over to the homepage. Let's go and search up Amazon or puzzle. Let's search up puzzle as is. Let's see what comes up. And over here you can see different puzzles. Here's a puzzle of people. Here's a puzzle of a family. So there's really puzzles everywhere. Here's a nice puzzle of an animated tree that's busy glowing. So there's all sorts of puzzles on this website. And this website is far more suited for this type of artwork. Remember, there's hundreds of millions of users on this website every single day. You can start your own Printify store. You can then connect your Etsy store. And I'm going to give you a full tutorial on this at the end of this video. So make sure to keep watching to make sure that you receive that. If I go and click on any one of these puzzles, let's take a look at this one over here. You can actually see in demand, 5 people bought this in the last 25 hours, which is really good. And this is just a random puzzle, which has also been created on Printify.com, just multiple puzzles. And whenever somebody orders this particular puzzle, the order goes through to Printify. They automatically connect this to their warehouses or their factory to go and create this puzzle, to get all the materials, the cardboard or the wood for the puzzle, the cutting. They then package that puzzle, ship it to the client, and you're keeping 50 to 80% of the profits, depending on your markup, as the man in the middle for just selling this puzzle. And remember, you're not limited to one puzzle. I can go and type here, for example. Let's try this. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ racing against Innocent GTR. Make it look realistic and amazing. Let's see what it comes up with. And that's actually really epic. I really like that. That would make a really epic puzzle. So then you go and rinse and repeat. You come over to Printify, recreate your puzzle with your new image that you've created on ChatGPT. And from there, you can then go and list that or connect that through. If you want to try out Walmart as well, do online shopping on Walmart's online store, more the merrier. The more the traffic, the more sales you can potentially get. Etsy.com, you can also go and create your own Shopify store. And once you start to scale, you can launch an entire Facebook ads campaign through your Shopify store and rack up tons of orders like that. And as I showed you from the beginning of this video, there are people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year selling basic products like this through Printify, through whatever other platforms they're out there. But the gist of the story is take note of how they were all started at the same place with no one, nothing, no sales, and now they've built 2 multiple 6-figure enterprises online. If you guys want that full tutorial on how to go and connect up Printify to Shopify, I'm going to leave a video on the screen over here. There's also a subscribe button over here. So if you want to get my latest videos on the various different ways that I use to make money online full-time, make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on, and I will send you a message every time I upload my latest video. Make sure to click on this video over here, and I'll see you on the inside.